Puppy, 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 puppy. Come on, puppies. Let's see. Come on, babies. Puppy, puppy, puppy. There, babies. Puppy, 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 puppies. Puppy, 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 puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Where's my blue girl? Puppy, puppy, puppy. Is your baby blue? Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh, licking the camera and everything. He's licking the camera. Come on, puppy, 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 puppy. Come on, puppy, puppy, puppy. Hello, baby. How you going there and get in that stall or get them dogs out? See them? There's some still in there. Call to them, tell them see if we can get them out of here. Pack them out here, that's fine, just pack them. That'd be alright. Get you a couple there and bring them out here. Give me babies. Now set him down right here. Set him down right there. There's one been hiding on us. Red Merle. Set him down right there. There's a blue Merle. Another blue Merle coming. What you got there, buddy? That's that blue. Another blue Merle back there in the back. There's a self-red. That's there going running. Hello, baby. Sit that black. Is that the black one? There, everybody's got him. There's the tricolor. He's a big bear. There you go. He's running back in there. Hey, how you can bring that black one over here? We haven't seen him yet. Let's see. Bring him down here and show the camera. Right there, hold him right there. There he is. He's tricolor. Black, white, tan. I don't know if he's got any white on him or not. Yeah, he got a little white spot on his chest there. He's black and tan. See him down there. A little white foot on the back. Is that a boy?
That might.
I don't know if it is or not. We'll look at him after a while. There's another self-red. Red Merle. Blue. Another blue Merle. There's Dad there. Rodeo. Come here, Rodeo. Come on, Rodeo. Come here, Rodeo. There's Dad. He's tricolor. Kind of excited sometimes. Easy. Here's some more in here. They're running.